Hey YouTube, welcome to the Permaculture. I'm your host Alana, and this is our first video. I'll be using this to just give you a quick tour of our garden where we're going to be building a permaculture food forest. We're currently in the middle of sheet mulching it, and in later videos we'll go deeper into the concept of the food forest and how we're transforming our land. So we're going to use this channel to show you how to sustainably grow your own food and to be self-reliant. We'll also go into recipes for food preparation as well as food preservation, so that you can be sure that you have food security for yourself or your family and your community. So let's do a tour. So this is the area of the yard we're going to be converting into a sustainable food forest, a food garden. It's our first time, so we'll see how it goes. Sorry about the poor quality phone video, but until we get our actual video recording equipment, this is what we got. So this is our chip pile. We're going to be sheet mulching, which is going to help us keep down the weeds. This, in the summertime, grows into a wild grassland, probably about 6 or 7 feet tall. You see we've already started out ripping out saplings that have been growing out here for the past few years. It's basically been turning itself into a forest. So started out by laying down, all of our Amazon boxes, Chewy boxes, anything that's brown cardboard, laying it down, letting it get weathered, and then ripping the tape and labels off. That's the easier way, I think, to do it, but it's also a sustainable way to get rid of all of your online shopping boxes. Don't have that many right now, so went ahead and bought some of this contractor paper to lay down. So what the sheeting does, the cardboard and the contractor paper, is it really helps smother those weeds and the grass that we don't want. All of that's going to die down, put nitrogen back in the soil, compost, and get weed suppression so we don't have to deal with the insane amount of weeds that we have coming up over the property. This part's not so bad, but we have a lot of this stuff. I don't remember what the scientific name is, but one of the names for it is sticky willy. It's pretty terrible. It'll stick to all of your clothes. It doesn't feel very good on your skin. It's got little barbs on it, and it's just all around awful. In the fall, it turns into these scraggly seed things. You can find some like scraggly straw stuff with seeds on it, and the seeds just stick to you and get everywhere, and it just spreads insane. It's actually, I researched it, and it actually has some medicinal properties and is edible, so I'm sure we'll still have plenty of it elsewhere on the property to deal with. So we got this massive mountain of wood chips delivered. You can get them delivered for free from local tree services, or we used a service called Chip Drop. You just sign up and tell them where to drop it, and when they have some to get rid of, they come to your property and get rid of it for you. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is laying down this paper and spreading that out so we can get ready for our next delivery. And also wanted to show you this real quick, exactly how effective just the sheeting by itself is underneath the mulch. You can see some old cardboard that we didn't get to chip last year, and if you pull this up, it's all just dirt. There's some advantageous grass that's really coming through, but you can see it does a really good job of suppressing what was already under it. Let's see, this looks really decomposed here. Yeah, look at that. So that's all good, and so we'll come back through and cover this stuff with mulch. Okay, so that's what we've got going on right now. Hope you enjoyed our little tour. We'll be back next time to plant some fruit trees, get our berry bushes in the ground, some perennials that'll be producing food for us for multiple seasons, and we'll also start sowing our seeds for our summer annuals to provide vegetables for us for this year. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time.